What's up, y'all? Rich Homie Cat here, back again with another banger video. I want to appreciate all y'all for watching. So I got an awesome package from an awesome sponsor for today's video, LasFit. So they actually sent me a pair of LED headlight bulbs for to put my charger through review. And a lot of companies did reach out to me to do a little review since my last video. I'll put a little picture or screenshot up there. It did really well, and you know, a lot of my viewers actually purchased headlights from Xedo. Still have very good headlights. Unfortunately, the one on my right side, the passenger side, you know, has been flickering a little bit, unfortunately. So you know, I did reach out to Xedo. I know it's past the 1-year warranty that I have with them, but however, you know, their lights are supposed to last a lot more longer, so I reached out to them. They're gonna fix it. But in the meanwhile, you know, I wanted to try out another LED headlight, and you know, LasFit did send me out this big box. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing this, do a little install video, and show you guys the difference between the LED versus the halogen, and I'll do a little night drive to show you how it is in the dark. Shout out to them. I know a lot of other YouTubers, bigger YouTubers, have reviewed headlights from LasFit, so you know, I just want to see what they're all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so here is the box. It was a pretty small box in that, you know, big package that I got, but hey, you know, shout out to them. So it just says LasFit on the front, LED lighting, you know, it's the same type of logo, safe, stylish. On the back, you know, it tells you that each bulb is 30 watts. That's just the standard that you get. 6,000 lumens per set, or 3,000 lumen per bulb. The color temperature is 6,000 K, so that's gonna be your nice bright white with a little bit of a bluish hue. Anything above that, it's usually even numbers, I believe. So any with 8,000, 10,000, you get into those rich, deep type of blues. Anything like 5,000, 4,000, you can get into your whites and getting into the yellowish. So I would say 6,000 is probably the most common. Of course, you have a 1-year warranty with them, and this is what the bulbs look like. So let's go ahead and start. So here's the product manual. I mean, it just tells you the installation steps per light, and of course, you know, you don't need a decoder or a little CAN bus for this one, which is great. And this is the 9005 size. Other things you get are stickers. So you get a whole bunch of stickers actually, red, black, and white. That's pretty cool. Of course, here are the light bulbs. So here's a chip, looks pretty good. Here's actually the actual socket, the fan. I believe these, you don't need the CAN bus, so it won't start flickering, which is good. And this will just be a straight plug and play. I know with the Xedo ones, they actually had a little CAN bus harness on it, but with these ones I believe you don't. And of course you have the fan in there to cool down the LEDs. Same things with these. That's about it. So let's go ahead and just get to installing them. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're actually going to have to remove this, but of course if you have a stock charger, meaning that you don't have this carbon fiber overlay, you can just, you know, you don't even have to do this. But there's gonna be a little twist cap that you're gonna have to twist counterclockwise, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Unfortunately, the footage that I recorded was in portrait mode, so I'm gonna put on the stock footage here, but all you have to do is just remove the dust cover by twisting it counterclockwise, and you can go ahead and get that dust cover out of here. And once you do, you can go ahead and, you know, twist counterclockwise to unplug the light bulb. And, you know, carefully lift it up because it's still going to be attached, and make sure you go ahead and pull down on that tab that you see there. Once you pull down and disengage the tab, it will just release the connection. You can pull it out, and now you can go ahead and grab your LED light bulb, and you just make sure the connections line up. I mean, you can flip it anyway, but make sure you just go ahead and snap it in. Once you hear a snap, that means you're fully connected. If not, you may have to just rotate the plug, and once you got that, you can put in the light bulb by twisting it clockwise. All right, so I've taken this off. I took off the halogen bulb, so this is what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna plug it right back. I'm just gonna lift this up, plug it right back in, turn on the lights, and just show you how it looks like. So let's get into it. The halogen bulb out, put the LED in nice bright white. And yeah, I mean, it looks really nice. I'm gonna show you what it looks like at during nighttime drives, but much better than the yellow that you would usually get. And of course, we're gonna do it on that side too. I'm gonna show you how to do that. This is the easier side. Like I said, there's gonna be a little cap that you twist off, you plug in the light, and that's it. This one, you have to remove the whole air box. So let's get into it. All right, so to replace the driver's side headlight bulb, you're gonna have to remove this air box. So what we're gonna do is remove this bolt with a 5/16 ratchet. Luckily with these is just, you can use Phillips head or flat heads. There are 3 additional bolts you have to take off. Pull this forward, and then you can get access to this. So let's go ahead and remove this. Definitely a long bolt, so make sure you keep a hold of that. Get your screwdriver to get these 3 out. Long screw. And once you do this, you can also check your filter. So good time as any to check the status of your air filter. Number 2. 3. So what you're gonna do is just pull forward. There you go. And then what people do, they usually just take this apart, but what I do, you can just lift this up, take away the air filter, make sure you check it, and then you can basically just lift this entire box. There you go. Once you got it apart, you can just basically lift this up. And there it is. You just unscrew this, or basically turn it counterclockwise. You should get access to the bulb and just take it out and plug it in. So let's do that. Then once you're done, take a look at that. That looks good. Bang, LED lights, baby. So definitely love the look of that. Much better than the halogens, and of course, would last a lot longer. So yeah, not too bad. So now just gotta put everything back in, and it should be good. Alright, not sure if you see too well, but it's dusk time. I have my lights on, just the automatic lights. Just driving around this parking lot. You can still, see the beam of the headlight. me know what y'all think about the LasFit LED headlights. They look fantastic. I'm gonna give you a little 6 month to a year update and show you if, you know, they withstand the test or I ran into some issues. But I mean, not of a hard install at all. And they look bright in the daytime already, if you can already tell. But at night, hopefully they look fantastic. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna link them in the description below. There's gonna be a little discount code, so make sure you use that so you save some money. And yeah, y'all, this is Rich Homie Cow. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon. Catch y'all later.